Welcome back everyone, Mariah Monetize here, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering the price of Bitcoin. So let's just jump right into it. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $32,602. So there would have to be a few things to happen that would make me think that the bottom is in and that we are going to head to new all-time highs, okay? A few things have to happen. Well, one really great thing happened over here when Bitcoin did not break the low of June 22nd. So the low of June 22nd was 28,600. Bitcoin was able to hold that level and make a higher low. One positive sign for a bullish case scenario. The second thing I'm seeing here is this green 2 trading above the green 1. The high of this green 1 was 32,609. The high of today's candle, $32,930. Okay, so that is another box that you could check when it comes to setting up for a bullish case scenario. So I like to approach it like this. You kind of like, you want to use multiple indicators, and the more indicators that are showing a bullish sign, the more solid your case is. So if only one thing happens, for example, this green 2 trading above the green 1, then that's not enough, right? I need more signs, I need more indicators on the chart to tell me that it is looking like a bullish trend change. So we didn't make a lower low, we made a lower high, we made a higher low. This green 2 trading above the green 1. The next thing I'm looking for is for this green moving average to cross over the red, okay? But where we are going to probably see a lot of trouble is this 50 DMA. Bitcoin is going to have a really hard time getting over this 50 DMA. The DMA is currently sitting at 34,300. So I would like to see Bitcoin break above and close above the 50 DMA for another scenario. Another scenario that would make me think that we are potentially headed for new all-time highs, or at least getting a good bounce, is Bitcoin breaking the high of this candle right here, this July 12th candle, which is 34,677. My voice is playing some tricks on me here as I am battling a cold, so 34,677. If Bitcoin can break above that, that would be also another box that we could check for a bullish case scenario. This is going to be really hard, I think, to happen. This is the least likely to happen of everything I've just listed, because this right here, the high of this candle is above the 50 DMA. They're pretty close. Like the 50 DMA right here is about 34,300, and the high of this candle right here, 34,677. So just a few $100s off, but that's what I would be looking for that particular scenario. Let's go and look at shorter time frames on Bitcoin. So the 12-hour chart here looking quite good as it has made a higher high. Bitcoin is still quite a bit of ways from making a higher high on the daily chart, but it's on its way there. So 12-hour chart looking like it's a nice trend change. Oh, let's go back over to the 12. So the 12-hour right here saw the moving average cross above the green over the red. That could have been a good time to enter that trade. 4-hour chart looks good, making a higher high, cooling off a little bit here. This green moving average traded over the red, and I'd be paying a really close attention over here to this 50 DMA. I apologize for how jank my voice is, but I'm having a really hard time getting through. The more I talk, the worse my voice gets. So 1-hour chart looks pretty good. Had a lot of bullish action back over here, cooling off a little bit. I would have been concerned here as Bitcoin broke below the low of this candle and made a lower low, but this green 2 is now trading above the green 1. We also made a higher high on this local high right here. So actually the 1-hour chart is looking pretty good, and also this green moving average crossing over the red. Great price action, but good price, a lot better price action we're seeing over this last few days compared to the last few weeks on Bitcoin. 5-minute trending upwards. So it looks like once the stock market closed today, Bitcoin decided to kind of, take off and do its new thing. So let's go ahead and take a look at SPY over here. SPY looked like it made some new all-time highs. This this Friday afternoon, and it sure did. So this weakness, I was slightly concerned. What I mentioned in my previous videos, I was gonna be more concerned if it broke below the low of this candle right here, 414.70. It didn't do that. SPY trading back within the channel, new all-time high, green 2 trading above the green 1. Looks like we will probably see new all-time highs even next week. SPY is looking extremely, extremely bullish. Tesla trading a little bit down today, being held up nicely by this moving average. Quite a bit of weakness here showing on Tesla, but I expect probably a bounce off this moving average. But next week will be quite interesting. Let's go back over to crypto here. Ethereum sitting at $2,052. Ethereum looks pretty good. This right here is the daily chart. So Ethereum, bulls really taking charge here as the low of this candle came in at 1717. The low of this candle right here, 1706. If Ethereum would have broken below 1706, it would have gotten pretty ugly. So the bullish movement is quite exciting. Green 2 trading above a green 1. Green 3 trading above a green 2. That's 50 DMA right here. It's going to be really, really challenging for Ethereum to break above and close probably above that 50 DMA. So something to be very cautious of there. These two crossings of this red and this blue moving average have me a little bit concerned here on Ethereum. If you're getting into any positions, I would highly recommend a pretty tight stop loss. Let's look at Coinbase stock. I haven't looked at the Coinbase stock in some time here. Sitting at 224. I think last time I looked at it, I was looking at it over in this range here. It's been showing some weakness. The good news is that these candles over here didn't trade below that one. So the Coinbase chart is looking quite neutral to me. I would not be entering any trades on Coinbase right now. It looks very neutral to me. I don't see, anything significant that makes a very bullish or bearish case scenario. So short and sweet, it's Friday night. I hope you get out there and do something fun this weekend. Get out into the sunshine. That is all I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.